This is a required monthly test in conjunction with the Great Guam Shakeout Drill. This is only a drill.
This is the Great Shakeout Drill. Practice now so you can protect yourself during a real earthquake. This is an earthquake drill. Unless you're driving right now, drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to the ground now. If you're standing during the earthquake, the ground might shake strongly and might throw you down. Take cover under something sturdy to protect yourself from objects being hurled across the room. Hold on to it until the shaking stops. If you can't get under something, stay low and protect your head and neck with your arms. After the shaking stops, look around for other potential hazards to protect yourself from and be aware of aftershocks. Finally, strong earthquakes may trigger a tsunami. If you're near the beach during an earthquake,